There is adventure to be found at Hakone, Tokyo's favorite day trip destination. Sweet treats, cable car rides, volcanic valleys, cute things, and robots. You'll find them all here. Make sure you watch until the end for tips on how to make the most of your stay.
Hakone has so many things to see. At the Lake Ashi terminal, there's a tribute to the anime Neon Genesis Evangelion. There's an EVA robot to take photos with, and the lift lobby looks like the control center. Lake Ashi was formed from the volcanic eruption of Mount Hakone thousands of years ago. A cruise on Lake Ashi is a must-do, and these pirate ships will take you on a scenic cruise around the lake with several stops along the way. If you're short on time, you might think about doing a round trip without getting off. For an extra fee, you can get an upgrade to first class, which has a view from the front of the boat. Otherwise, you can just go to the top of the boat to get a good view, but it is very cold. Taking the cable car is a scenic experience. At the transfer station between the cable car and Ropeway, there's a cafe, footbath, and observation deck. The perfect place to sit, rest your feet, and have a break. The Scenic train is one of the best known attractions in Hakone. There are things to see along the way and at every station. Just don't do what I did and leave it to the last thing at the end of the day, because you can't see anything when it's dark. The train itself is very nice though. Owakudani is a volcanic valley with active sulfur vents and hot springs. The volcanic activity and sulfur vents emit harmful gases and can cause the park to be closed. The black eggs at Owakudani are said to extend your life by 7 years. The eggs are hard-boiled in the volcano's hot springs, causing the shell to turn black. Inside the black shell, the egg is perfectly normal. Now for the taste test. And it's pretty delicious. If you want more to eat than eggs, then there are restaurants and cafes and lots of Japanese gifts that you can buy. The Owakudani Nature Research Trail is a 600-meter round trip to the observatory and back. It's a mountain path with steep stairs, no restrooms, and people with breathing or heart disease, asthma, or are unwell are advised not to enter. Owakudani looks like it came straight out of a National Geographic documentary. But its poisonous gases can be harmful to certain people, so give this a miss if you're unsure. At Lake Ashi at the Ropeway station, you will see many warning signs. People with asthma, respiratory or heart disease, or with poor health are warned against going further. Babies and infants, people with pacemakers, the elderly, pregnant people, or those with allergies are also advised not to walk the nature trail. The small Japanese town of HAKONE is filled with busy stores and tourists. Traveling via car, you get scenic views and a comfortable ride. Hakone has steep and winding roads, which require intense concentration to drive, especially when it's foggy, raining, and the light is fading. The single-lane roads are also prone to traffic jams. You could be stuck in a queue before you even enter the popular attractions.
I also had to figure out parking. This is a typical parking lot in Japan. As it was dark, cold, and raining. After scanning the QR code to the website to tell me what to do, I still had to Google Translate the instructions on the machine to pay.
Hakone has a wide network of cable cars, ropeways, tourist buses, scenic trains, and even a pirate boat. I would recommend getting the Hakone Travel Pass, which gives you unlimited travel for 2 or 3 days.
It was easy to get on rides, and when we didn't have mobile data, we had to use the free Wi-Fi at the stations, which unfortunately took ages to connect and to log into the ticket account. An alternative is to buy a paper ticket at the Odakyu stations or ticket machines.